What's going on, YouTube? Got my Raspberry Pi 3 mini computers, real strong, stronger than most desktops, laptops. Installing the software onto this one. I'm gonna make this a media player, 3.5 screen just to start off with. You can go up to a 10.1 or use the HDMI. Installing Raspberry desktop. Put Windows 10 on here too, and Oreo, Android Oreo. Just want to show y'all that. Give y'all some more preview when it's done. Let's go. When you come in the house, what you supposed to do? When you come in, what you do? Good boy. All right, y'all.